Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Spike Cross game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spike Cross game on your device, and after you have logged in, you will be taken into the home page. From here, click on the settings icon at the top right corner and then click on the play option from the settings page. Now within this page, you will see the keyboard as well as the gamepad button layout options. Click on the user customize option, which will now show you the controls for whichever control you have selected. Now there is the option to assign multiple buttons for the same control. If you wish to add a secondary button, just click on the blank space and now just press the button that you wish to assign as the secondary one. You can also click on the already assigned button and then click on the add key option to press your desired new button. By following this step, you can make your desired changes to all of your controls. In order to delete any input, you can just left click on it and then click on clear. Once all of your keys are redefined, you can simply close it and your settings will be saved. You can also do the same with your gamepad from the gamepad customization page or the button layout menu. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Spike Cross game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.